All right, question number 7 wants us to graph this function. We are given f of x equals negative x squared plus 1. All right, when you graph a function, it's better. So this would be a parabola because you have x squared. So hopefully you're familiar with those types of graph. Parabolas are U-shaped. Because the leading term is negative, I know that this parabola will be opening downward, like so. And to graph this, we want to get at least 3 points. So I recommend picking one negative, one 0, and then one positive number. So -1, 0, and a +1. What we're going to do is we're going to plug these numbers into x one at a time and then solve. And then once we get those 3 ordered pairs, we will plot the graph. So I'm going to do f of -1, which is a negative, parentheses, -1 squared plus 1. So when you square the -1, it becomes positive, but then it changed back negative because of this. So -1 plus 1, this will give us 0. So the first y value is 0. And then if I do f of 0, this will give us a negative, and then we have 0 squared plus 1. So this first term just goes to 0, and then we just end up with 1. And then f of 1, we would do -1 squared plus 1. So again, 1 would be squared, it would be +1, it would turn negative. -1 plus 1 will give you 0. So these are my 3 ordered pairs. I'm going to plot those on the graph. So click this image. You have to click which type of graph you're going to be plotting. So this time it's going to be a parabola. Once we do so, you can kind of see the ordered pairs changing as I scroll the mouse around the grid. I'm just going to find those ordered pairs. So -1 in the x-axis and then 0, click. Then we're going to go 0, 1, and then 1, 0. So it makes the parabola shape for you. Save and submit.